You walk into a client call with a killer strategy deck, but clients, they don't care. They want results faster, more ROAS, same budget. That's the squeeze your agency might also be feeling right now with sky-high expectations, shrinking margins, and workflows that just can't keep up. But other agencies are winning. Why? Because they're using AI to execute campaigns faster, test smarter, and optimize in real time, without burning out their teams. So in this video, we'll take you through 7 steps to implement AI campaign execution for your agency. Start by having clear objectives and constraints. Your creative brief can include your revenue targets, key KPIs, brand voice rules, privacy constraints, and sustainability boundaries. These guardrails matter more than any output AI generates. Once you have all these details, create a North Star document on tools like ClickUp Docs, where teams can get all the details. You can even ask ClickUp Brain, an inbuilt AI assistant, to write the brief for you, distill it into a concise project brief, then instantly convert that brief into an actionable task list. That means from day one, your big picture is also a concrete execution plan. Next, you need to audit your data and past learnings. Make sure your audience lists and creative files are current and organized. For this, you have to dig through your CRM, analytics, ad accounts, email lists, and e-commerce data. Then check your data, remove duplicates, and look at what worked best in past campaigns to help guide your next steps. You can either do all this manually and waste your time, or you can incorporate AI like other agencies. With tools like ClickUp's Enterprise Search, you can audit your data 10x faster. Just ask it to pull top-performing Q4 creatives, and it goes through all your connected apps for it. From there, you want to build a creative and testing plan. Start with a few strong creative angles, then define how you'll test them. What variables change, what stays constant, and what metric decides whether something scales or gets cut. This is where AI becomes a thinking partner, not a content machine, and having that AI in your workspace works wonders. Now here's where you automate repetitive work. This is where campaigns usually slow down due to late approvals, long due tasks, follow-ups, and small delays quietly stack up. Agents are great at handling such repetitive coordination work, tracking approvals, nudging overdue tasks, and keeping handoffs moving so small delays don't quietly pile up. And here's a pro tip. If you're using ClickUp, its super agents can take this even further. You can mention them directly in chat while the team is planning campaign execution, and they'll step in to handle routine steps, auto-assigning tasks from the brief, triggering follow-ups, generating status reports, and moving work through multi-step workflows. So instead of manually chasing every update, the process keeps moving in the background while the team focuses on the actual campaign work. Once you're ready to launch, it's time to deploy and orchestrate across channels. Multi-channel launches break when version control breaks. Wrong headline, outdated offer, one region launching late. For a stronger execution, every channel should move from the same source on the same schedule. Teams usually keep the entire launch schedule in one place and attach all the final files, like images, videos, or copy, directly to the launch tasks. And for scale, use AI to handle translation and cultural adaptation across regions, then review manually to make sure the messaging still feels right locally. After launch, you need to monitor, optimize, and attribute performance. Most campaigns don't fail outright. They underperform quietly because teams react too late. AI changes that by making performance visible while the campaign is still live. Instead of waiting for end-of-month reports, teams set thresholds, watch signals, and act early. You can track key metrics like engagement, conversions, or spend at a glance, and quickly drill down into the data to identify trends or spot issues. You can easily use these insights to adjust campaigns for even better results. Finally, document, learn, and scale. After your campaign ends, use AI tools to quickly review what worked well and what didn't. Let AI help you spot patterns in the results and suggest improvements. Save your best workflows, creative prompts, and automations as templates so you can easily reuse them for future campaigns. Finally, share these insights and templates with your team, making it easy for everyone to learn from your experience and use AI-powered strategies in their own projects. Because when you're adding AI into your execution, you're not losing control or inviting more mistakes. Instead, you're making your process more reliable by automating repetitive tasks and reducing the risk of manual errors. Experience the difference with ClickUp. Visit clickup.com and try it today for free.